In today's rapidly changing digital landscape, unexpected technology challenges can disrupt even the best-laid business plans. Proactive leaders recognize the value of building resilience into their technology strategies, ensuring organizations remain agile and prepared for whatever comes next.
A technology resilience mindset starts with anticipating potential disruptions. Leaders must encourage their teams to regularly assess vulnerabilities, from cyber threats to hardware failures or software outages. By fostering a culture of preparedness, organizations can respond quickly and minimize downtime when challenges arise.
Effective resilience also depends on investing in robust technology infrastructure. This includes redundancy in critical systems, regular data backups, and continuous monitoring to detect issues early. Leaders should champion ongoing training, ensuring teams have the skills and confidence to adapt to new tools and processes as technology evolves.
Building a technology resilience mindset empowers leaders and teams to navigate disruptions with confidence. By anticipating risks, investing in strong systems, and fostering continuous learning, organizations can safeguard their operations and embrace new opportunities for growth.